sell different things for the family and home. And we're trying to make sure that we can serve all our customers from multiple channels. So we're changing to make sure that we are digital and we can go forward with demand. We have two worlds to our business. So we have our current legacy system and we have the new transformation. We had to look for tools that would support both sides, and the tools will need to grow with us. Infuse supplies us with a SaaS set of products that helps us with our management reporting and being able to see the end-to-end process in one place. When we look at performance testing, we really look at the statistics from the business. We look at our customers' patterns and trends and what they're doing on our websites when they're shopping, and then look at how we can replicate that to ensure that the performance testing we do, this helps us to simulate that and make sure that our system will cope with it so that we don't lose any trade. We looked at double peak to make sure we could cope if we did have a big influx of people, and then we actually went much higher than that to make sure we knew at what point we would start to see any detrimental impact on our websites. Through the whole of the peak period, so including Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and all the other sales and promotions that went on for Christmas, we didn't have any downtime. We didn't have any impact on our customers. That's something that has been really good from an industry point of view to make sure our customers are happy. We can have more coverage by running these tests over multiple browsers in a short space of time. We have a higher quality product because of the coverage, and the downtime that could have happened in live has reduced over the last 12 months. Because the business is changing, building this set of tools and set of testing collateral now will help us because we continue to grow it and we become quicker, faster, and we get more coverage across our business processes.
We've sat down and worked out with them what they're doing currently now and in the future, and what they wanted was a system that supports their waterfall delivery and also the Agile and DevOps delivery as well. So we've created a solution that's a combination of consulting, software tools, and cloud environments. It's a complete cloud-based software delivery framework that enables them to do testing effectively across their global teams.